Let's make some Pho Ga Kho, which is the dry version of chicken pho. The broth is served on the side while you enjoy the noodles, chicken, and fresh veggies with a delicious sauce that is savory, sweet, and tangy. Just make chicken pho as you normally do, but I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Start by sauteing some minced garlic and minced shallot. Then add some tamarind concentrate, oyster sauce, sugar, mushroom seasoning, and water. Give everything a good mix and adjust the taste to your liking. Transfer to a sauce bowl and that's it. See how easy that was? Now all you have to do is put everything together and make yourself a bowl. The full recipe is in the caption. I hope you will try this and enjoy.